Hi, in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to download and install Microsoft 365 products. This is either your Office package or it can be Microsoft projects or Visio. So the first step is going to be to open up your internet browser and going to login.microsoftonline.com. Next, you will need to enter your Microsoft account credentials. This will be the account which has your uh, licenses assigned to it. Um, and you would need to authenticate. Right. So once you are logged in, you will land on the home page for Microsoft 365. And to get to the download options, you can go to the Apps and More button, then click on More Apps. At the top corner here, you'll see Install Apps, and you can then click on Microsoft 365 Apps. This next step is where it gets a bit confusing because here you'll typically see a download or install option, but what you need to click on is View Apps and Devices. And here you will then see, in this instance, Visio. You might also see Projects or Office 365. Then you just click on Install Visio, and it will download a small installer file, which you then just need to click and run. Afterwards, you can go to your start menu and you will find, in this instance, Visio there.